Hi everyone, this is Alexa. Welcome to my channel. I'm really happy you're here. The bathroom is warm today. Steam still clings to the tiles, softening everything it touches. My heels click gently on the floor, echoing between the walls. I always like the way sound plays here. More intimate, more quiet. The sink is my starting point. One hand presses against the cool surface as I lean in, and the other moves in slow circles with the cloth, back and forth, tracing the shape of the basin, clearing away invisible things. I catch my reflection in the mirror. Just a flicker. Hair falling forward, shoulders bare, dress hugging tight. Tiny sparkles catch the light with every breath I take. It's subtle, but I feel it, and somehow that always feels satisfying. I reach for the faucet, tilting my head just enough to let my hair fall to one side. Water runs over my fingers, warm, soft. I rinse the cloth, squeeze it, and start again. This time the corners, the hard-to-reach edges, the places where dust hides. Every now and then I catch the reflection of my back, my dress clinging with every shift, the subtle arch of my spine as I stretch. I move with care, not because I have to, but because I like how it feels. There's rhythm in it, like a quiet little dance. I pause for a moment, standing tall in the center of the room. The mirror now shows a space that looks lighter, cleaner, calmer. One last wipe across the surface. Then I fold the cloth slowly, press it between my palms. Done, but not rushed. A soft smile plays on my lips. It's not just about making things shine. It's about how it makes me feel in the process. Composed, feminine, and in control. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a little comment, and follow me for more. See you in the next video. It's gonna be even more fun. Bye bye from Alexa.